So this is the Ninebot ES1 electric scooter by Segway. And so this video, some of you probably clicked on it from search, some of you clicked on it because you're already on my channel, so thank you for clicking on. Today this is gonna be sort of a review slash vlog style video, as I tend to do on my channel. So before we get into the actual video, I'm just gonna list off some quick stats for you guys. So this thing can go up to 20 kilometers per hour in speed, which is 12 miles per hour, though I've gotten it up to 24. Goes 25 kilometers in distance, which is 15.5 miles, though I'm yet to max that out. But you can, if you want to, buy an additional battery, which will actually bolt on right here, and that'll extend your distance to be able to go up to 40 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers per hour as your speed. So this is a cool little scooter. I've had it for around a week or so, and let's just go. We'll see how we use it in the real world. So what you're probably wondering is, how is this e-scooter better than my bike? And the realism, I don't know if that's a word. The real thing is that it's not meant to replace your bike, but it's meant to be a second alternative for you if you need to, A, get somewhere really fast, you're really tired, or you just don't have endurance. So it's just, what I mainly use it for is just, it's super fun and it's a really quick way to get around places without getting super tired. So something kind of annoying about the scooter is when you go over like any little bump, pretty much, it makes this really annoying clicking sound where the wheel hits like the top cover. So I'm gonna get Jory to demonstrate that right now as he comes over this little curb. Boom, just like that. So you can hear it actually makes that sound, and you get everyone staring at you around. So just something to be aware of. So as you can see right now, Jory is just gonna demonstrate how it can easily ride at max speed on like pretty much any terrain, grass, dirt, rocks. It works well on pretty much anything. So for the next test, I'm basically going to ride my bike first for 2 kilometers, time it, and then we'll see how long that takes, and then compare that to the same exact route for 2 kilometers that it took me on the scooter. So let's try it out. update. So I finished the bike. I was really pushing hard, and I think it was 2.26 kilometers. I'm sweating. I pushed really hard, and I just tried to go like as fast as I could for that. I only had to stop for cars like twice. So just drinking this glass of water, and then I'm gonna go see how long it takes for that same exact route on the scooter. So to go along with the terrain piece I was talking about before, about how good they are on grass and dirt, something really cool is you don't have to worry at all about getting flats, because these are solid rubber tires. They're not air filled, so you can pretty much go over anything, and unless you like intentionally stab them with a knife, you're probably not gonna break them, which is really cool. What do you think of the scooter, Jory?
It's good, I like it. I wanted it in the first place since January, and I got it in May, so.
Yeah, I kind of copied Jory. So, funny story, Jory came home with that scooter one day, and literally 2 days later I was like, damn, I need to get that. And now look where we are. We have the scooter, so it's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's fun. It's just a cool way to get around, and you know, it's handy. It comes in handy. I'm not letting it replace my bike though. So yeah. So Segway markets this scooter as being able to go up 10-degree hill inclines, but as you can see right here, these two hills are a lot more than 10 degrees. I think at the start they're roughly 40. It's kind of hard to see in this video, but as you can see in 1 second, Jory is just gaining some speed. He's about to come all the way up this. Let's see. Boom. So he just completed a 40 to 50 degree incline, which is pretty good for an electric scooter like this because most places will not have to go that high. So one more thing I just wanted to quickly mention is that there is a really good shock suspension system right on top of the front tire, which absorbs pretty much anything, and to go along with that, you really don't feel anything at all as well, because on the handlebars there are some super thick foam grips, and I think I would have preferred them if they were rubber just for like the grip and all, but they do provide a lot of protection against the vibration, which is really cool, because that's one thing I personally really hate, is when you ride a regular scooter and you're just janky shaking all over the place. So that can get really annoying for me. So I hope this video provided you some insight if you were looking into getting an electric scooter, because I think they are a great way to get around if you're commuting in traffic and you just want to like swerve through the streets, or you're just going around to have a good time. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to go hit that subscribe bell, turn on the notification to be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you later. Bye.